Good morning, awesome students, and happy Monday. I'm here now to review our last word problem from last week on Friday. So let's go ahead and get into that, and then you can work on completing our new word problems each day this week. Clint is making cookies using his own secret recipe. He has packages of chocolate chips and chocolate candies. Each package contains 100 items. In his recipe, Clint uses half of the chocolate chips and 1/4 of the chocolate candies. How many of each item does he use in his recipe? So let's solve that together. I'm going to click at the end of the problem before I insert my drawing. Now, just like some of the other ones, there are a ton of different ways that we can solve this. Some of us might be able to look at the number 100 and know what half of 100 is, and some of us might be able to look at 100 and know what 1/4 of 100 is. But if we need to draw it out, I am going to use a number line. So I'm going to make a line. On this end, I'll put 100, and on this end, I will put 0. That's crooked. I'm going to fix that. 0 to 100, and then I need to know for the first part what the half mark is. So here's in the middle. So I'm going to guess that I can count by tens to get to 100, because we all know we can count by tens to get to 100. So I'm going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So what I'm going to do is double check to make sure I have it right. From 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So in the middle, I hit the 50 mark. So it shows that 1/2 of 100 is 50. So he had 50 chocolate chips. I also could have said 100 is like 10, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So it's split into 2 equal parts. So half of 100 is 50. You could also think of it like money. If you have $1, you have 4 quarters, and if you have half of $1, you have 50 cents. Okay? So there's one way you can solve that one. On the next one, I can come down and I can do the same thing, and I can draw a number line from 0 to 100. Now it helps me because I already know that my half mark is 50. I know it's hard to write with this, but just do the best you can so that I can read it. Now 1/4 is going to be less than 1/2 because it's a smaller fraction. 1/4 is actually half of a half. So we're looking for this mark right here. So we're going to have to think about what is half of 50. Now if you think about money and you have 50 cents and you take away 1/4, then you know that you have 1/4 left, which is going to be 25 cents. 1/4 of 100 is 25 cents, or 25. But if we need to show all of this on the number line, we can start and we can count by 5s. So let's try 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So from here to here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. And from here to 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. So from here to here is equal to here to 50. 25 to 50 is 25 away. 25 to 0 is 25 away. Here is our center mark right there at 25. So your answer on this one should have been 50 chocolate chips and 25 chocolate candies.